gonna be like, I was trying to do the close-up shot. Yeah. Clean part.
It's all ready for you. Look at this.
Clean. Cleanish. Clean. Not so clean. There you go.
Probably.
That's actually fun to watch. But you get like the line of dirt and you just work it. It's like, ah.
Bare metal's still good.
Be alright. We gotta weld some stuff. We can weld some stuff.
Oh, we even have these parts to weld?
We can, yeah. If we have to.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be fine. It's so thin though, it's hard to do it.
That's why I know if like painting it and Mondo patching it, that was better for something like this.
I mean, if it's clean, which it looks like it is, we might just shoot it. Or just maybe hit it with a light wire wheel, clean it all off, and then shoot it. Ah, yeah. Look at all the dirt.
They've been breathing it for 60 years.
60, almost 64 years of dirt. Here. Hold on. Let me fix your stick out. Oh, you got it.
I got it.
I gotta remember.
I was
Close.
buzzing the hole. I did it again.
That's what she said.
No. Shit, I'm not making it. I can't see. Fuck all.
Here, let me put this on like 9.5 now. How better? Damn auto darkening adjustable helmet. Heat or more speed, or what do you want?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
Do little tracks.
There you go. There you go. It's like Caltrans. You guys want some shovels to lean on?
It's union, you have to break.
The surveying at work.
I'll allow it.
I'm filing a grievance. Holy shit.